This 2020 Winnebago Outlook 22C is a Class C RV. It is located in Albuquerque, New Mexico, 87121 and is offered for sale by Good Sense RV and Motors. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Winnebago is 24 feet 0 inches in length and features a gray-brown interior, sleeps 5, slide-out, and 37 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class C features bunk over cab. This 2020 Winnebago Outlook 22C is built on a Ford E350 chassis. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.